Everybody got these wireless earbuds here. Go ahead and check them out. I'm going to do an unboxing and review on them. Okay, here's everything that comes with it. Got the right and left. Got the charging box here. The charging port for this is right at the bottom of the case. There's the instructions for putting them in your ears. Take them out of the case, hang them on your ears, and then adjust them by twisting them for comfort and secure. So these earbuds will auto power on and connect when you open the charging case, and will also power off and disconnect when you close the charging case. All right, as far as pairing these things up, you'll see it show up as E12 on your Bluetooth settings. Man, I was just playing some heavy metal on these things, some reggae, and even some rap and some country. They sound freaking great. These sound really nice, and these are they're multifunctional too. So I just took a call on these things, and then to answer it, you just press it twice there. To end it, press it twice there when it's in your ear. If you want to reject a call, you press it long for 2 seconds. And then for voice assistant, so you just do a short press 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And then for play and pause, it's just short presses twice. So 1, 2, play, 1, 2, pause. And then as far as a previous song, you just you touch the left one and then hold it for 2 seconds. 1, 2. And then as far as the next song, then you do the same thing with the right one. You hold it for 2 seconds. Volume up, it's just a one time, so 1, volume up, volume up, volume up. And then that's with the right one, and volume down is going to be on the left, and same thing, volume down, volume down. So, and for charging them, you just charge them right in the case here, and then we'll hook that case up to the wall with the USB. But these things are great. I mean, I don't know, as far as this style, I don't know how you could sound any better. I mean, they sound really good. It's got that hard case feel to them, so it kind of feels like similar to what you'd get with your iPhone. The earbuds you'd get with your iPhone, very similar to that as far as the feel in your ear. All right, if you're looking for some earbuds, these are nice. All right, a couple of last details here. So the charging time can take up to 1.5 hours. So these things have an ultra long playtime, and they guard against sweat and rain, so you can use them when you're working out or in the rain. They're ultra lightweight. They're real nice. I also want to say they have really good bass too, which was surprising. The treble, nice and clear. The clarity on that for the music is great. You can hear everything. And again, the bass is just right where you want it. It's nice. All right, thanks again.